Man, that's sick.
And that's what the problem is. That they can cut these sides, and that's what's picked on. So the wood.
All right, the township has come down because there's like around 15 abandoned tents and garbage areas that need to be cleaned up. This is one phase of the housing thing that they plan on doing. Right now, all the abandoned tents, old huts, that we have here is being torn down. The next phase is going to be the people that don't have the census cards. We don't belong here because we're trying to stop people from coming up inside here, so the township can help us more. Because the more people come, the less help that we will get. It's not like the township is coming in here and just tearing things down. They're helping us get this area back together again.